Hi, welcome back to the Brothers of Adventures H&R. Today we will be going in the replica of my guns. Okay, so today we have the UX 357 Magnum with reloadable shells and has close range, has short barrel, has reloadable hammer, and we have we have it's CO2, just so you know. It's really good. Here, CO2, no magazines. Reloadable shells. Right here, the bullets come out. We have all types of things. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you is that there is no type of thing. The bullets come out, which is a 177 or 6mm BB gun. So this is all that is, but then that loads back and you can either pull a trigger and it shoots one at a time. You can pull the trigger and it has the open. It has fire and safety. So since there's handguns that we have right now, then we have ourselves the M14 World War Vietnam, no blowback, and lever. But just so you know, guys, this does not come back on it. This one is not a battery, so it does not work what you would think it does. These little magazines in here has a little spring in them. Then you load your airsoft bullets in here, shake it, get it in, and then here, if you can see, it's all just picked up. It has a sling that you can carry with, and that's really all for the M14. There is no adjustable sights, which is sad, but okay. And next we have our favorite gun, the BB gun, aka airsoft. It is the scope, which I got. This is at Big 5. It's a BSA, and this is a Daisy gun, which is very cool. Which we have is a wooden stock, plasticky. It's actually plastic now. A little a pump. Pump. There is nothing else. And I did add this sling if you're asking. Well, hard to pump, but you'll get used to it. So, I have this, the scope. There it is. And then we have, so yeah, that is the BB gun, which is I use that BB gun for hunting all the time, so it is a very good BB gun. Now, if we go around, let me show you, we have some more guns. And, sorry, I'm not at my studio, I'm at my house. Let's see. I don't think we got any more guns, guys. Well, if you want to, I have been making leather knives. Very good knives. I gotta say, I make knives for all types of different reasons. And really, that's all. So, subscribe, hit the link, and if you have any more suggestions of me reviewing guns, please put them in the comments below. Bye.